So while intense showers continue in the capital city, heavy rain continues to wreak havoc in Himachal Pradesh as well, triggering landslides and flash floods across several districts over the past 24 hours. In fact, as of Friday, about 358 roads remain closed, including two national highways. And among the worst hit routes is the Chandigarh-Manali National Highway 21, which was just reopened Thursday after a 40-hour closure, but had to be shut down now again on Friday following another landslide in the Mandi district. Fury of floods being witnessed in Himachal Pradesh. In fact, the situation turned more dangerous after floodwaters entered a tunnel, trapping vehicles and sweeping some away, rendering the stretch completely impassable. Meanwhile, the Auto Sanj road on the National Highway 305 is also blocked near the Jahed and Banjar in the Kulu district. Visuals on your screen from Mandi showing you the waterlogged streets and traffic disruptions. In fact, this is the pass that has become completely difficult to navigate as of now, completely waterlogged, vehicles stranded due to heavy rain. These are visuals from the Mandi tunnel, where vehicles you can see are stranded due to the waterlogged stretch of this tunnel. In fact, authorities are urging travellers to avoid non-essential movement as restoration efforts continue under challenging conditions. Remember that the weather has not been favourable for rescue efforts at all. Heavy rains are continuing along with thunderstorms and lightning, and this is hampering the efforts to restore the blocked highways as well. Visuals on your screen showing you the water overflowing into the tunnel as well. In fact, Narkanda Shalaru area of the Shimla district has also witnessed floods, and this is as the water from drains entered the lands. In fact, heavy rainfall has been triggering flash floods and landslides throughout the state, leaving several critical routes blocked. Now, a landslide also occurred on the road in front of the famous Baba Balaknath temple in Hamirpur district. Now, as far the forecast goes, the local Met Office issued a yellow warning of heavy rains accompanied by thunderstorms and lightning in 3 to 6 districts on Saturday and Sunday. Meanwhile, an orange alert of heavy rains in isolated areas of the state will remain from Monday to Thursday. These are the visuals we're getting you from Himachal Pradesh, which is currently witnessing the fury of monsoons. Heavy rainfall has been triggering flash floods and landslides throughout the state, leaving critical highways and roads blocked. These are visuals from the Mandi tunnel, a critical route where vehicles have been stranded. In fact, the state has been witnessing recurring landslides, and restoration work has not been able to go at the pace authorities would want due to the extreme weather conditions still continuing. Remember, heavy rainfall still continues, which has been hampering rescue efforts and restoration work as well. Visuals on your screen from the Mandi tunnel. This is where the flood waters entered the tunnel, trapping vehicles and sweeping some away as well. Now, this situation has rendered the stretch completely impassable at the moment. The restoration work is underway. Remember, even before, when Himachal Pradesh witnessed flash floods, Mandi district was the hardest hit area. And even now, it continues to face the wrath of monsoon. In fact, the rain has triggered landslides and flash floods across several districts over the past 24 hours. When we talk about specific details, as of Friday, about 358 roads remain blocked in the state, including two national highways. Critical routes being blocked due to continuous rainfall in the state.